This 30-inch slide-in gas range by Jenn Air features a stainless front with an extra-large black glass viewing window and 2 European-style stainless handles. It has 3 continuous heavy-duty interlocking edge-to-edge cast iron grates and 5 cast-on brass seal burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of one 5,000, one 8,000, one 9,200, one 15,000, and one 19,000 BTU dual-stacked power burner. The surface of this range features a DuraFinish Protection over the stainless, designed to resist yellowing, staining, and scratching. The upward-facing control panel is glass touch and offers several baking options, numerical keys, and an easy-to-read LCD display. It has 5 metal burner knobs with markers and guides that help to easily identify burners. The 5.8 cubic foot oven has a dark porcelain interior and comes with 1 heavy-duty flat rack, 1 full extension gliding rack, and 1 maximum capacity rack, and 7 rack positions. There's also 2 oven lights and a convection fan. The lower drawer is a baking and warming oven that doubles as storage for flat pans and baking sheets when not in use. To learn more about ranges, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.